Imagine waking up every day not feeling rushed, but feeling strong, focused, and ready to take on anything. What if instead of jumping straight into a busy day, you started each morning with peace and purpose? Let me tell you a bit about my journey. Just a year ago, I was in the same place as many of you. I'd keep hitting snooze, grabbing a rushed coffee, and diving headfirst into a mountain of stress. It felt endless, until I learned the art of intentional living. Let's dive into how reclaiming my mornings transformed my life. The 5:30 a.m. revelation. So why 5:30 a.m.? Waking up early is more than just setting an alarm. It's like gifting yourself with quiet, undistracted time before the world wakes up. It's a chance to feel in control rather than letting the day control you. And believe me, once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever lived any other way. Switching to an early wake-up time like 5:30 a.m. can feel challenging at first, especially if you're used to sleeping in. But you don't need to make the change all at once. Start gradually and you'll find it's much easier to adjust. Begin gradually. Instead of immediately setting your alarm for 5:30, start by waking up just 15 minutes earlier each day until you reach your goal. This way, your body and mind have time to adapt, and you're less likely to feel groggy or exhausted. 2. Place your alarm far from your bed. When your alarm is out of reach, you'll have to get out of bed to turn it off. It sounds simple, but this small step can be surprisingly effective in helping you wake up. Once you're out of bed, it's much easier to stay up and begin your day. Create a morning ritual that excites you. One of the best ways to beat the temptation of crawling back under the covers is to have something in the morning that you look forward to. It could be something small and enjoyable, like brewing your favorite tea or coffee, opening the curtains to watch the sunrise, or spending a few minutes reading an inspiring book. These moments help turn your morning into something special, something that motivates you to start your day. Embrace these steps, and soon enough, 5:30 a.m. will feel less like a chore and more like a gift you're giving yourself. Transitioning to early mornings can be a gentle, positive change that sets the foundation for a productive and fulfilling day. The meditation mindset. Transformative power of morning meditation. Meditation is more than just sitting in silence. It's a moment of connection, a chance to center yourself. With just 10 to 15 minutes, you're setting up a calm foundation for the day, which reduces stress and builds resilience. There's science behind this too. Meditation reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases neural plasticity, meaning your brain becomes better at handling challenges. Here are a few techniques to get started. Breath awareness. Simply focus on your breathing, noticing each inhale and exhale. Visualization. Visualize your goals and your ideal day. Picture yourself achieving and enjoying the things you're striving for. Gratitude scanning. Reflect on a few things you're grateful for. This rewires your brain for positivity. Starting your day with movement is like flipping a switch for your body and mind. Morning workouts, even just a few minutes, can wake up your body, activate your energy systems, and boost your mood through the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones. This simple routine creates a positive, energized tone that carries you through the rest of your day. The best part? You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Here are some powerful options that work with just your body weight and only take a few minutes. 5-minute HIIT, high-intensity interval training. HIIT is perfect for quickly increasing your heart rate and igniting your energy levels. You can do exercises like jump squats, burpees, and mountain climbers. These moves engage multiple muscle groups, get your blood pumping, and give you a quick, powerful boost to start your day. Just 5 minutes can make you feel alert, strong, and ready to tackle whatever's ahead. Yoga flow. A gentle yoga flow combines movement with mindful breathing, giving you a sense of calm and focus. Try a few sun salutations or simple poses like cat-cow stretches, downward dog, or child's pose. This not only wakes up your body but also helps you center yourself, reducing any lingering stress or tension from the night. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretches, such as arm swings and leg kicks, are all about moving while you stretch. These are great for loosening up stiff joints and improving blood flow, especially if you tend to feel a little tight in the morning. These stretches are gentle yet energizing, helping you feel limber and ready to go. Each of these options is quick, effective, and perfect for a morning routine. They're designed to get your blood flowing, support your physical health, and give you that initial burst of vitality that makes every morning feel like a fresh start. Whether you choose HIIT, yoga, or dynamic stretching, remember that a little movement goes a long way. Strategic planning and mindset, the power of morning pages and to-do lists. After exercise, spend a few minutes planning your day. This keeps you focused and aligned with your goals. Start with morning pages, simply writing down any thoughts, worries, or ideas. This brain dump clears mental clutter and leaves room for focus. Then make your to-do list with the 1-3-5 rule. 1 big important task, 3 medium tasks, 5 small tasks. You could even color code your list for a little spark of motivation. Remember to celebrate each completed task. Small wins build momentum. Nutrition and hydration. Fueling your transformation. Hydration is the very first thing your body craves in the morning. While you're sleeping, you're naturally dehydrating, so drinking 500 milliliters of water right after waking up is a simple but incredibly effective way to kickstart your day. Think of it as a way to wake up your organs. It boosts your metabolism, helping your body prepare for the day ahead, and even supports brain function, giving you that initial clarity and energy boost. Plus, it helps flush out any toxins that accumulated overnight. Simple but powerful. Now let's move on to breakfast. A nutrient-packed smoothie is one of the best ways to fuel your body quickly and easily, giving you sustained energy without weighing you down. Here's a recipe that checks all the boxes. Easy, delicious, and packed with health-boosting ingredients. Let's break down each component. Spinach. This leafy green might be mild in flavor, but it's loaded with vitamins A and C, iron, and antioxidants. Bananas provide natural sweetness without added sugars, plus potassium, which helps keep your muscles and nerves working well. Almond milk. Almond milk offers a creamy, plant-based base that's easy on the stomach. Chia seeds. These little seeds pack a big punch with fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Plant-based protein. Adding a scoop of plant-based protein powder is a game changer, helping you feel full and focused, and a dash of cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar regulation. This smoothie is nutritious, quick to make, and keeps you going strong. Mindset shift and psychological transformation. The deeper journey. Our mornings are not just about routine, they're about growth and transformation. Consistency is the secret sauce here. Small, consistent changes become powerful over time. Here are some principles to keep in mind. Progress over perfection. Celebrate every little step forward. Small changes, big results. The smallest habits, when done daily, make the biggest difference. Environment shapes mindset. Set up your space to inspire you. Remove distractions and surround yourself with reminders of your goals. Closing and call to action. Take the 7-day challenge. Now, here's my challenge for you. Try this routine for just 1 week. Document each day, even the struggles, and reflect on how it changes you. Notice your energy, mood, and productivity. Remember, you're not defined by how you've started your mornings in the past. You're created by the mornings you choose to design. Every morning is a blank canvas. What masterpiece will you create? If you're ready to dive in, I've linked a free morning routine checklist for you, along with a guided meditation audio and the smoothie recipe guide to get you started. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Let's embrace each morning as a new beginning. Hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's start our day with purpose and power.